Everywhere in this video tutorial we will make this edit that picture we have generated from the artificial intelligence. So let's distort. We will make that selected part as twirl. So we have made in this way. Now we will select the other part and edit by different method. So let's wait for the different tool we can avail here. We can customize it to get the design. So then we will make further shapes there. There we have the design as well. We have generated that design everywhere